Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel once again. And today we will be creating a look that I have recently done. One of my coworkers requested that I film step by step how I have created that look. Now don't worry, it's not very difficult. I'm just gonna stop beating around the bush. This is the makeup look I will be recreating. I don't know if I actually left it in the previous video or not. However, from here on I will continue to only show relevant parts. I will still make sure I mention the products I'm using even if I'm not showing the application, for instance, like moisturizers, primers, mascara, eyeliner, just because I feel like I have showed it so many times now. You can just refer to any of the previous videos. Now, of course, unless I change the way I do it, I will make an update of some sorts. I can see that there is a shadow in this area. That's because my stand of everything is so thick. So please apologize my 3 o'clock shadow. And we're gonna get right to it. Okay, so before obviously I even start with the eyeshadow, I will be applying the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. The packaging looks like this. In the meantime, I have also used the Aphrodita Cosmetics aloe vera nourishing cream hydra care moisturizer, just because my skin is rather dry and it needs a little bit of loving care. Okay, so next I will go into Makeup Revolution Ultra Eye Contour Light and Shade. Looks like this. And today I will be using this color here, which is off-white, but on the cool tone side. I will be using the Zulu by Juvia's next, and I'll be using this purple on the bottom. And then what you want to do is just take it into the crease. And then before I move to the other eye, I will also be putting this color onto half of the lid, as well as about, let's see, it does look like I did take it quite far in, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Now for this step you could just use, a brush that is probably more fitted for this area that is a little bit more tight and sensitive. However, I don't like to dirty my brushes because then I have to clean them, so I do like to use the same brush for as many steps as possible, especially if it is the same color. The next color we're gonna need, however, is from the Vice 4 from Urban Decay. In case you haven't seen this 300,000 times on my channel alone, then here it is. And I will be using this color here. Now I know it doesn't look like much. It's called Harlot. It is a very light shimmery lilac. I will use a small brush, go into that color, put it here. I'm gonna go with that bullet brush where I have that dark purple on. I'm just gonna go back a little bit into the crease just to define it a little bit more. And then what you want to do is just go over the edges of that lilac-y purple. But yeah, this is how it should look like. And then before we're gonna clean up this, we're gonna quickly take a fluffy dome, fluffy brush like that, and that's clean. And we're just gonna go over the edges of that purple just to soften it out a little bit. Now I blended it out. If you have over blended, or if you have blended some areas that you didn't want to, you can always take the color back and, you know, stamp it on. The inner corner, I put a little bit more of a highlight there, and for that I use the Sleek Makeup 2012 collection Glory. It's the Glory 767 palette. It's broken as hell, but I have used this color here, just in case you haven't watched any of my previous videos. So what I like to do is I'm gonna use the moisturizer that I used previously already to moisturize, some cotton buds, and I will literally be just removing the fallout this way. Yeah, anyway, that is how it should look like after you clean it up and, you know, with all done. So what I will do is I will quickly throw on eyeliner. I'm using the Catrice Eye Matic Dip Liner in the waterproof formula, and the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara in 10. No? I realized that I can't just completely skip the eyeliner for the reason that there are actually dots in this look. So what I want to do is, I mean, as you can see, I already have done the eyeliner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the same eyeliner that I have used for that. I'll make sure there is no excess product on there. Looks like I had a dot about in the middle. So one dot about there, in here, one here, and one here. There you go. And that's it. I mean, it's really easy. Obviously, you don't have to put them exactly there if you don't want to, but I quite like this placement with this color. Okay, so we are pretty much done. Now, I did not wear a foundation in the picture or for that look, or however you want to call it, but I will be actually filming another video, and so I will quickly do that, and I will come back hopefully looking better than I do now, not like last week where I looked like a ghost afterwards. Okay guys, so I will see you with foundation and powder on. The foundation I will be using is Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in Shell Ivory. And yeah, I actually tested it out already and I know I like it, and it's a little darker than the other one. Also, it is definitely too pink for me, but so is the other one, so it doesn't really matter. Okay guys, so we are back. I did have to put the hood on. I know it looks a little stupid, but I found that with this on, it actually helped to bring a little bit more contrast into the picture, so you can into the picture well, yeah, it's not wrong. So you can actually see a little bit better like the details and, you know, the actual color of things. And yeah, we have put the foundation on. It's a lot better match than it was last week's. But yeah, if you're interested to see with what sponges I have applied this, you can go check out previous week's video if you haven't seen it yet. And the lipstick I had on is one of my favorite classic lipstick formulas, actually, just in case you're wondering. It's the lipstick 1995 from Gerard Cosmetics. It looks like so. I really like the packaging, and the color looks like so. It's more on the warmer side than I remembered when I have used it, but I actually didn't mind because I felt like the look came together. Quickly turn my piercing around so we can actually get to the lips, and I'll just quickly pop this on and I will be back in a second. I should have just filmed the entire video with the hood on, but anyway, at least you can see, you know, the colors a little bit better now. And yeah, this is pretty much it for this week's video. I mean, I really hope that you have enjoyed it. Guys, this is it. I hope that you are doing well no matter when you're watching this. May it be in the morning, afternoon, evening, or night. Please comment, subscribe, like, share, hit the bell button, all the good stuff below, and let me know if there's any look you would want me to do, and if I can, I will. And yeah, guys, this is it. I will see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye!